You just build something with AI, a page, a little app, whatever it is. It works and you're kind of proud of it. And then you hit the wall nobody warns you about, it only lives on your computer. You literally cannot send it to anyone, it's trapped. So watch what I do instead. I open Claude, I type one plain sentence, and it puts my site on the real internet for free with no code and hands me a link I can send to anyone on the planet. Stick with me and you'll do this exact thing in about 5 minutes. Here's the page, by the way. Right now it only opens on my laptop, nowhere else. So I go into Claude and I just say it like I'm texting a friend, put this website on the internet for free and give me a public link I can share with anyone. That is the entire instruction. No accounts to wrestle with, no settings, no scary words. And what it does next honestly felt illegal the first time I saw it. It takes over completely. It picks a free host, it uploads the whole site by itself, and there. It's live. That line right there, it's live. Share this link with anyone, and the real web address sitting next to it. My little page, out on the actual internet, at a link I can hand to literally anybody. From a file on my laptop to a real website in under a minute, and I never touched a single setting. Real quick, what actually happened there? Because the word deploying sounds way scarier than it is. Claude just copied my files onto a computer that's always switched on and online, that's all a host is, and handed me the address for it. That is the entire trick. I didn't learn anything technical. I asked, and it did the hosting, the uploading, all of it for me. But here's the moment that actually caught me. I opened that same link on my phone, a completely different device, and there it is, live. I could text this to my mom, drop it in a group chat, put it in my bio. If watching this is making you want to build something, that is the whole point of this channel. So subscribe and stick around, because the link you can share is only step 1. The next part is what makes it truly yours. Your site is not frozen in time. Watch this. I tell Claude to change the code at the bottom and push the update. It edits the page, it redeploys it, and the same link updates in seconds. A new color, a fixed typo, a whole new section, you just ask, and your live site changes for everyone instantly. It grows right alongside you. Now rapid fire the questions everyone asks me, is it actually free? Yes, genuinely free for a page like this, no surprise bill coming. Does my computer have to stay on? Nope, the host keeps it live around the clock. Laptop open or closed? Is it safe? Yep, see that here padlock? That's real security, handled automatically. The one catch, a page like this is public, so don't put passwords or private stuff on it. And you notice your link has the host name inside it, something.necklify.app. Totally fine for sharing around. But the day you want your own name, yourname.com, you buy one for a few bucks and, you guessed it, you just ask Claude to connect it. Same single sentence. And this exact move, build it, then say put it online, works for anything you make. A landing page for an idea, a resume you can actually send to employers, a portfolio, a birthday page for someone you love. The second it has a link, it stops being a private little experiment and becomes something real. And you can put up as many as you want, every single one of them free. So that's deploying, the big scary sounding step that used to stop beginners cold. One sentence, 1 minute. Go put something online today and then drop your live link down in the comments, because I genuinely want to open them. And next time we make one of these pages actually do something, take real information from the people who visit, instead of just showing them things. Subscribe so that one finds you, and go ship something.